Good afternoon, sir. My name is Amol Ashok Nazan, and today date is 2nd September 2021. And today's video topic is exception handling. So, first of all, what is meant by the exception? So, exception is the abnormal condition or disturbed program flow is called as a exception, and handle this exception is called as a exception handling. So basically, exception is occurs in a Java program. So types of the exception handling. So first one is the checked exception, and second one is a unchecked exception. So basically, checked exception is occur in a compile time, and unchecked exception is occur in a runtime. So types of the exception. So basically, types of the checked exception. So first type is the IO exception. Second one is file not found exception. Third one is the input output exception. So unchecked exception is basically array out of bound exception, and second one is arithmetic exception. Third one is null pointer exception, and last one is number not found exception. The array out of bound exception types is the index out of bound exception is the array out of bound exception, and string out of bound exception. So why handle the exception? The exception handled by the two ways. So first one is the using try and catch block. So first one, what is mean by the try keyword? So try keyword is used to return the exception code, and catch is used to the handle this exception. So basically, there are two block is very important in the handle the exception. Second one block is used to the finally block. So finally block is used to the to execute the block is always. So exception occur or not occur, so finally block is always executed. And fourth one is the throw keyword. So the throw keyword is used to the it is used to the an exception an exception occur, and throw keyword is used to the throws keyword used to the to declare the exception is used to the throws keyword. So basically, a difference between the throw and throws keyword. The throw is an exception can be occur, and it is the throws keyword is the exception is declared. The throw keyword is declared the inside the method, and throws keyword is declared the signature of the method. So throw keyword is occurs in a throw keyword is occur in a runtime exception, and throws keyword throws exception is occur in a checked exception. So basically, depend on the two exception. Through keyword is unchecked exception, and throws keyword is depend on a checked exception. So example of the checked and unchecked exception in programmatically explained. So first one is the array out of bound exception. So example of the array out of bound exception. So first of all, we are creating the class, and class name A, and inside the main method creating, and and we are creating the tens integer bracket a is equal to new integer uh, new integer element 1 2 3 4, and we have sys out the uh, 15 element array. So it is print by the array out of bound exception. So second one example is the null pointer exception. So we are creating the class B, and B class we are creating the B class, and inside the creating the string s is equal to double quote empty string, and we have sys out the string yes dot len. The final output will be the string out of bound exception. So it is the runtime exception, and third one is the null pointer exception. So we have creating the class C, and inside the creating the method main method, and creating the string s is equal to double quote empty string, and after the sys out this string sys out dot print. So after final we clear the null pointer exception. So it is the example of the all exception. So basically real time of the example of the exception is the abnormal condition, and disturb program flow is called as a exception. So exception is basically handle the two ways. So first one is the using try block, catch block, and throws keyword, and finally keyword. So it five keyword can be using the exception. So exception is basically advantage of exception. So exception is the disturb the program flow. So main arithmetic exception is the divide by 0. Suppose example of the arithmetic exception is we are creating the class A, and adding the method public static void main, and inside creating the we have creating the variable integer a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. After addition of the integer c is equal to a by b. So sys out this statement. So after we declaring the error is the declaring the error is the arithmetic exception. So it is called by the arithmetic exception. So exception is the basically occur in a exception is basically occur in a unwanted event. So disturb the program flow is called as a exception, and handling this code in using the try and catch block is called as a handle the exception. So main types of the exception is out of bound array out of bound exception, arithmetic exception, and null pointer exception, and number not found exception is the main type of the exception. So it is basically main type of the exception. So